Tired of bedroom clutter taking over? Let me show you something that changes everything. Two sleek metal storage containers slide effortlessly under your bed, transforming wasted space into organized paradise. These aren't ordinary bins. They're heavy-duty metal organizers with smooth rolling wheels and secure lids protecting your clothes, bedding, shoes, blankets, books, and toys from dust and damage. Metal construction lasts years, and wheels make access incredibly easy. Whether seasonal clothes, extra bedding, or kids' toys that multiply overnight, these handle it all beautifully. Best part? You get two organizers instantly doubling storage capacity. No more cramming closets or stacking boxes. Everything has its place, stays clean, and you see your bedroom floor again. The smooth rolling wheels glide across carpet or hardwood without scratching, making it simple to pull them out whenever needed. These containers are designed to maximize every inch of that valuable underbed real estate most people completely waste. Ready to reclaim your space and get organized? Grab the link in the description and comments below.